Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. See, I hope, children, we have completed question chapter 1 and we have done the test also. So what you have to do, see wherever you got mistakes in calculation of radius or diameter or anything, just revise the topics. And today we are going to start the new topic, that is chapter 2, patterns. Patterns, very easy, yes? Last chapter we have learned, symmetry. All these chapters, they are related. So we are going to learn what is pattern. So we will start with the definition. Okay, children, please be attentive in the class. This is very easy. Some children, even if they don't study, when they are listening properly in the class, this topic is very easy. Okay, so whenever you are attending the class, please pay attention and make sure there is no distractions near your place. Okay, so we are going to start with the patterns. What is a pattern? It's an arrangement of figures or designs. Okay, it's an arrangement. Arrangement. I will ask the definition. So whenever you are listening, listen properly. I will ask.
Designs.
It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. Okay, so when we arrange, we can see these patterns all in the nature around your places. Can you say even in your dress also we can see some patterns that are repeating and all? Can you see me properly? And you can see some triangles and hexagons also, patterns in my dress also.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, so patterns means, what is a pattern? Please listen to the definition. It's an arrangement of figures or design. Figures or designs. And we have different natural patterns and we have artificial. Artificial means man-made. The people are making that, patterns are called artificial. And in the nature also we can find different types of patterns. So we can see some patterns in the leaves, animals. Can you name some
flowers.
pattern? Flowers. I will ask one by one. So Binu, can you say some patterns from the nature? Patterns.
Then cancel.
Huh?
Then cancel.
1 minute, okay? Yes, who was saying, asking me?
Then.
Algan, yes, Algan. After that, Aidan, okay? Yes, Algan, tell me. Nature, patterns from the nature. Yes, Aidan. Aidan, please.
Spiderweb.
Spider-Man web, okay. And look at the animals. We can see
Honeycomb.
animals. Patterns.
Honeycomb.
Huh?
Ma'am, zebra.
Zebra. Okay, you can see the stripes. Black and white color, yes? Black
Ma'am,
and white
butterfly.
color.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. We can see
Tiger.
patterns in butterfly, yes? Then
Ma'am, tiger.
tiger, yes, tiger, that stripes also. Then cheetah, like spots. Some children have like no black spots and all. Leopard, yes. Is there any other?
Honeycomb. Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Honeycomb. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, sunflower.
Okay, see children, so we can see different types of beautiful patterns in our nature. So we can see stones also, we can see, examine the stones properly, we can see the patterns over there. Then animals. Zebra we have discussed already. Zebra.
Ma'am, sunflower.
Sunflower, very good, that's a pattern in flowers. Leaves also, children, we can see different leaves, beautiful patterns, yes? Understood? So the patterns we see in the nature, they are called natural patterns. The patterns.
I mean the pencil.
Pencil. Pencil and all man is making. We are making, no? So we can say that is artificial. What is man-made patterns called?
Artificial.
Artificial. So children, what we are learning now, it's pattern. What is a pattern? It's an
It is
arrangement of
an
figures
arrangement of the figure.
designs in a certain way. See, these patterns mean they will be repeating also. These patterns. So we can find different types of pattern. That one is natural pattern. Natural pattern means that we can observe from the nature, that is not made by man or human beings. We are not making that patterns, that is already in the nature. So for example, what you have said many examples. Yes, you have told me the
Ma'am,
zebra
carpet.
stripe,
Carpet.
huh?
Carpet.
Carpet and all man made. Okay,
Ma'am,
children,
rose
please wait.
flower.
Huh?
Rose flower.
One by one, one by one. Okay, Binu, can you say now? Yes, louder.
Birds.
Birds. In the birds also we can see. Yes,
Ma'am,
Delna.
rose flower. Rose flower.
Rose flower we can see. Petals also. Yes, petals. They are all arranged in a certain way with the flowers. Zebra and all over. Okay. So, now children, please mute.
Ma'am, glass. Butterfly.
Now wait. Okay. Children, please wait. Okay, so we were discussing children. Okay, some children joined late also. We are discussing what we were discussing is patterns. What is you meant by pattern? It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. And we have discussed different types of patterns from the nature. That patterns what we are observing, that is not from the human beings. That is already in the nature. So that patterns we observe in the nature, they are called natural pattern. Natural patterns, and we have discussed different types of patterns in animals and leaves, plants and all. Okay, in the flower, in the leaves of the plants, we can see different patterns in the stone also, and stripes. See children, some animals have spots on their skin, they are in pattern. Now we are going to discuss man-made. That means the people are making. That all we have discussed. Now you told me that it's in the carpets. See that dress we are wearing, and you can see the grill of your window. Yes, gate. Okay, children, gate. All these are called artificial. All these are called artificial pattern. Artificial means what? Man-made patterns. Man-made patterns. So children, we have discussed two types of, Ridu, can you please say two types of patterns, the name? We have discussed two patterns, two different types. What's that?
Butterfly.
No, you're saying me example. I don't want example. Tell me the name.
Man-made.
Artificial and?
Man-made.
Man-made and artificial, they are same. Artificial and? Natural. Very good. Natural. Okay. Okay, children. So what we have discussed? Natural patterns and artificial pattern.
Number pattern.
Number pattern we are going to discuss later. Now, okay. So till now we have discussed about natural patterns. That is natural pattern. The patterns we observe in the nature. So we have discussed leaves, patterns in the leaves, patterns in animals. That is zebra, cheetah, leopard, and all. And we have discussed artificial. That artificial and man-made, they are same. Man-made patterns, they are called artificial. So that is we have discussed in the carpets, we can see in the window, grills and gate. Have you seen some patterns in gate and all?
Yes.
Gate. Look, after this class, you can observe the patterns in the window grills and
in the leaves. Leaves. Ma'am, door.
Tiles also we can, all these we are making. These tiles, carpets and dresses. All these,
Ma'am, door.
door. Yes, door also we can. All these patterns, they are
Butterflies.
artificial. All these patterns, they are
Artificial.
artificial because man or human beings they are making. Okay, next we are going to learn number pattern. Number pattern. What is pattern means? There is an arrangement of figures. Here we are writing
Odd number and even.
numbers. Okay, children. Sequence of numbers following a specific rule. What is number pattern? Sequence of numbers.
already do it.
Sequence of numbers that follow certain rule. Okay, for example, odd numbers. Can you say what is the rule over there?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, what is the rule there? We will start with number 1 and add
Beginning
by
for-
2. Okay, 1 plus 2,
9,
3.
11,
3 plus 2, 5. So this is odd numbers. They are example for number pattern. Can you say another pattern?
Even number.
Even numbers,
I
very
do
good.
it.
Okay, even numbers.
Ma'am, I
We start
already
like
do it.
2,
1,
4, 6, 8. Okay, children. Understood? So these odd numbers,
10.
even numbers. Sahal, you are in Saudi and there is 2 hours, I think 2.5 hours before. That's why you are feeling sleepy. Are you feeling sleepy?
We can see
Huh?
pattern in our t-shirt.
Okay, so children, what we are discussing now. So today we have discussed what is a pattern. What's a pattern? It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. And we have discussed what natural patterns, that is patterns we found in nature. Then artificial, or we can say that is man-made patterns. Now we are discussing now
Man-made
number pattern.
pattern.
Okay, number pattern. What is number pattern? A sequence of numbers that follow certain rule. For example, what are the examples of number pattern? Yes, we have discussed 2 types of patterns now. Number pattern. Then
Odd
odd number and even number. So odd number we'll start with number 1, then add by 2 numbers. So we will get 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay, children? Okay, what about even numbers? 2, 4,
4, 6.
so all
8,
these numbers,
10,
they are following certain rule. Now I will say one example for number pattern. You have to tell me the another next term. Okay, so 5, 10, 15. Tell now what will be coming next after 15? 5.
An even number is two stable.
Okay, so now I am asking Delna. 5, 10, 15. After 15, what will come? 5, 10, 15,
20.
20. Okay, 20. So what is the rule? Very good, very good. So what is the rule over there? We have to add 5 numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20.
15, 20,
Ah.
25,
So
30.
there is a rule. So if they are following certain rule, then only we can say the next term. Okay, so what is the rule over there? We have to add the number by 5 numbers. So patterns means that arrangement should follow certain specific rule. Okay, now I will show, we will see that. 1 minute.
It is Zoom.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So children, what we are going to do, I'm going to share the screen. You'll look at that. I will call one by one and you have to tell me the answer also.
Ma'am, I cannot see nothing.
1 minute, 1 minute. I didn't share the screen. Okay, wait. Okay, children. Okay. I will share the screen. Okay.
Mama, I can't see. Ma'am, I can't
1 minute,
see.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I cannot see anything.
Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alona, can you read this louder? What is a pattern? What's a pattern?
Patterns are an arrangement of figures using in a center way is called patterns.
An arrangement of figures. All the children, you have to study this now itself. An arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way called patterns. Shabari, can you read this? Mute. Please unmute. Muted. Please unmute and speak.
Pattern.
Patterns. What's a pattern?
Arrangement of the figure designs
Louder,
in a
louder.
certain way is called pattern.
Okay, an arrangement of
Patterns or
Okay, children. When I'm calling one person only, that person, everyone say together will not understand. Now, who is able to say this without looking at the board? Raise your hand. Okay, Eden, please unmute and say louder. What's the pattern?
Tiling.
An arrangement of
Figure
figures or designs in a
designs.
certain way. Certain way means it should follow some basic rules. Okay, understood? It's a pattern means it's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. Certain way means it should follow some basic rules. Okay. So what is the next one? Patterns. Then look at this. See some patterns from the nature. Can you see, children?
Yes.
Can you see? Can you see that the patterns in the leaves?
Yes.
The board. Can you see the board clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Look at zebra. Are you feeling there? Is there some pattern over there?
Yes.
Pattern?
Yes.
Yes. We can see there's a black and white stripes. Children, can you see some patterns in zebra's body?
Yes.
Yes. Lines, stripes, black and white. And what about that leaves? Now, after this class also, when you see some leaves from your garden or outside your house, you have to observe and identify different types of patterns. Okay. So we can see patterns in animals, leaves, rocks. Okay. And here this is example 4. Children, look at that. Can you see artificial patterns here?
Yes.
Look at this bricks.
Village.
Bricks, no? When you are making a house, children, when you are making a house, wall, can you see that bricks, how they are arranged? They are arranged in a certain way. They are arranged following some rules. And look at this window grill also. They are the basic shape that is repeating. And here also we can see some patterns. Okay. Next one, we are going to learn
Number pattern.
number pattern.
Number
See, children,
pattern.
number pattern means a sequence of numbers following a specific rule. What's that? A sequence of numbers that follow certain rules. So, in this we are going to learn 2 types of pattern. One is finite and another one is infinite. What is finite pattern? Patterns that end, all of you look at the board, and patterns that end after a few terms. What is called finite patterns? Mivel, can you please read what mean by finite patterns? Please be louder, louder, louder.
Patterns that do not end
No, finite. Patterns that end after a few terms. Patterns
are called
after a few terms are called Finite patterns. What about infinite? Delna, can you read what is infinite pattern?
Pattern
that
Do not end are called infinite patterns. Patterns that do not end are called infinite patterns. Patterns that end after a few terms are called finite patterns. Okay, children. So in number patterns, we have discussed what is a number pattern. It's a sequence of numbers following a certain rule. Sequence of numbers following a certain rule. Ananda Krishnan, we have discussed two different types of number patterns. Can you say the examples? Number patterns, examples.
leaf and
Ah?
artificial
Artificial you are saying about? I am asking about number pattern. Example.
infinite pattern.
What we have discussed, Leonardo? Leonardo. Two different types of number patterns we have discussed, no? Examples. Even number and odd number and even number. Now what we have discussed, two more patterns, finite and infinite. Finite means patterns that end after a few terms. After few terms, that pattern will end. That pattern will finish. That is called finite. What is that called? Finite pattern. What about infinite? Patterns that do not end. Patterns that do not end. Understood what we have discussed today?
Yes.
Who can say what is finite pattern? Leon CL, can you please on your video? Leon CL.
Ma'am, do not end. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Who cannot,
Ma'am.
who cannot see?
Mama,
Algan. Algan, I think there's some connectivity. What about other children? Can you see me?
Yes.
Yes?
I
Algan has some connection problem. Okay, now
I
please,
can see.
I will ask one by one. Please mute, all of you. Please mute. Asin, Binu, Saira, please mute. And who is going to tell me finite patterns? Finite pattern. Yes, Eden. Eden, please unmute. All others, please.
A pattern and
Patterns
Few
that end.
that
Okay,
end
patterns that end after a few terms.
after a
Patterns
few
that
times.
end after a few terms are
Few
called
times it's called
finite.
finite pattern.
Oh. Angelo, can you say what is infinite pattern?
Oh. Pattern that do
That
Pattern that do not end.
end. Very good. Patterns that do not end after a few terms are called
Pattern that do not end.
patterns that do not end are called
Called
infinite pattern.
infinite pattern.
Infinite pattern.
Pattern.
Okay. So, children, what we have discussed today, we are going to start, look
Not clear.
who have not clear. Algan.
Ma'am.
See, those children who are not able to hear properly, I think there's some connectivity issue. Children, we are going to look at the patterns one more time.
Not.
So what we are starting with chapter 2 patterns today. So after the class, we will be doing some, I will give you some homework in the workbook. Okay, so listen properly. Chapter 2 patterns. In the first one, we have discussed what is a pattern. Pattern, it's an arrangement. It's an arrangement of figures or designs. We can say sometimes numbers also, but it should certain way. Certain way means there will be some rule. Okay, in number patterns, we can say add the number by 2, add by 5 and all. Okay. After that, we can see some patterns from nature. That is called natural. Natural patterns. Natural means we can see in the...
Ma'am,
Who is calling, ma'am?
I cannot hear you, guys.
calling me?
I cannot see your voice.
Huh?
Ma'am, not clear.
I think there is some connectivity issue. Okay, children. I can also, that the voice also cracking. Your voice also cracking. It's not clear to me. That's why I think there is some network issue over there.
Ma'am,
Huh?
I cannot see anybody and ma'am.
Please wait because of network issue. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot.
Because of network issue. So what we have discussed, we are discussed that natural patterns we can see in the nature, we can see in the plants, animals and all. After that we have man-made, or we can say that is artificial pattern, that patterns we are made by human beings. So we can see bricks, window grills and all. And after that what we have discussed what's a number pattern. We can see patterns in numbers also. So for example, odd numbers, what is the rule over there? We are starting with 1 and add by 2 numbers. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2. What is the rule over there? Starting with the number 1 and add by 2 numbers. That's the rule over odd numbers. So number patterns means a sequence of numbers following specific rule. This specific rule, that is very important word. What's that important? Number patterns means it's a pattern. It's a sequence of numbers that follow certain
Ma'am, I cannot clear.
rule. Okay, so see, I told you, maybe some network issue. I think for Algan, no? So, because of network issue, I think. So then afterwards, what we have discussed? So understood what is a patterns what we have learned today. It's a pattern means it's an arrangement of figures or designs, and we have discussed natural pattern and artificial pattern. So we can see natural patterns in our animals, plants and all, and man-made we have discussed, and what we have discussed is number pattern. So what is in number pattern we have discussed finite pattern and infinite pattern. What is finite means? That patterns end after a few turns. That will be over. That will be finished after a few turns. And what's about infinite means? Infinite means that is have no end. It is continuously going on. Okay, we can say that natural, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not ending. There is no end for that. So it's an example for infinite pattern. Infinite pattern. Children, can you see your children? You are not supposed to chat, okay, in between. If there is okay, so what you have to do? Can you open your workbook and check whether you can complete question number 1, 2, 3? It's a homework. 1, 2, 3. You will see. You have to identify natural patterns, artificial patterns. Okay, children. Question number 1, 2, 3. Can you do as a homework? Evangeline, already over. We will discuss in the next class only. Okay.
There is more time. We can take class. I'm homework.
Okay, children, you can do now. 2 minutes, I will give you that.
Then I am going to take my pencil. Pencil. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, children, can you say patterns created by humans are called, what's that?
Artificial patterns.
Okay, patterns created by humans are called artificial.
Artificial pattern.
What is that option number?
21. 21.
Option A or B or C or D?
B.
Patterns created by humans are called
Artificial pattern.
artificial patterns. Okay.
pattern.
Now, find the missing number in the given pattern.
21. 21.
21. See how many numbers are increasing over there? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Okay, children. Did you understood that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, a zebra has
Natural
pattern.
pattern.
Natural pattern.
pattern.
Okay. So, children, only these three we have to going to do today. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Saira.
first one patterns created by humans are called, I don't know.
Patterns created by humans are called what? It's artificial. Artificial means man-made. The human beings we are making. And what about natural patterns? That is already found in the nature. Example, zebra, that flowers, butterfly and all. Okay, children. So this much only for today. So what we have discussed is patterns. And in patterns, we have discussed artificial pattern, natural patterns. Then we have discussed number pattern, patterns that do not end. They are called infinite, and patterns that are end, that have an end, is called finite pattern. Okay, so children. So whatever we have discussed today, we have to revise for the next period. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.